Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we move ahead, make sure to like and share the video, as well as subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Today, we will be talking about how Johnny Depp's attorneys wanted to reveal Amber Heard's nudes and also reveal her past as an exotic dancer. The public watched all of the dramatic ups and downs of Johnny and Amber's trial earlier this year, maybe a bit too excitedly and very invested, as Johnny in turn accused Amber of defamation after she appeared to accuse him of being an abuser in an op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post in 2018. The courts revealed pre-trial documents just when we thought the defamation case between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard had finally disappeared from the news. These documents appear to demonstrate how much material displayed in court during the 6-week trial was left out of the public record. What these documents contain is so out of the box and something you would have never even imagined. Suppose you forgot how Amber Heard and Johnny Depp ended up here. Don't worry, we got you covered. Millions of people watched the trial in close detail from their homes all across the world. Due to their vast professional histories, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard became household names. They participated in high-profile franchise films like Johnny Depp in Pirates of the Caribbean and Amber Heard in Aquaman. It was only natural that people would be curious about and follow the divorce scenario. So, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard started dating in 2009, and in 2015, after breaking up with their respective partners at the moment, they made the decision to be married on a private island. From 2011 until 2014, they dated for a considerable amount of time before getting engaged. Their union did not, however, endure very long. In 2016, Amber Heard filed for divorce, claiming that Johnny Depp had physically abused her while under the influence of narcotics or alcohol. In response to the allegations, Johnny Depp denied them and said that Amber was trying to get a, quote, premature financial resolution by alleging abuse, end quote. In a December 2018 op-ed for the Washington Post, actress Amber Heard accused someone of domestic violence. She discussed the women who had experienced domestic violence. However, Johnny Depp wasn't mentioned in it. He was called a quote-unquote wife beater in a column by The Sun. He filed a lawsuit against the same executive director, but was unsuccessful. And this is when he struck rock bottom and lost a lot of agreements and contracts. In March 2019, Johnny Depp filed a $50 million defamation lawsuit against Amber Heard, alleging that she was the abuser. Amber Heard filed a counterclaim for $100 million, alleging that the only occasions she ever physically harmed Johnny Depp were when she was fighting in self-defense or to save her younger sister. The 6-week court trial at the Fairfax County Courthouse in Virginia started on April 11, 2022. Johnny Depp takes the witness stand and talks about a number of events over the past several years. Standing strong, Johnny Depp declared that Amber Heard, not him, was the abusive party in their relationship. He also explained how her making baseless charges against him cost him contracts worth millions of dollars and, in effect, cost him his career. A defamation lawsuit is exposed to the general public. At the conclusion of the trial, the judge and the jury reached the same conclusion. Amber Heard's op-ed in the Washington Post was false and defamatory. The article's main goal was to harm Johnny Depp's image, and as a result, he had to deal with the aftermath. Additionally, it was determined that the abuse proof Amber Heard and her legal team presented was all manufactured and fabricated, and as a result, Johnny Depp did not engage in any domestic violence throughout their relationship. According to the law, Amber Heard was now required to make up for the loss that Johnny Depp had as a result of all of these things. The judge ruled that Amber Heard must give Johnny Depp a hefty $10 million fine. However, Johnny Depp also had to give Amber Heard some money as compensation for the harm. It was worth $2 million. This brings the total amount Amber Heard will have to pay Johnny Depp to $8 million. Amber Heard and her legal team have been attempting numerous strategies to have the decision overturned since it was announced. They argue that the fine was excessive given Amber Heard's lack of employment at the time. The attorney claimed that they feel the court committed mistakes that prohibited a fair and First Amendment compliant decision. As a result, they were appealing the decision. Amber Heard net worth is claimed to be $8 million US. But none of that was successful. Judge Penny Ascarate, the previous judge who presided over the whole 6-week trial, denied Amber Heard's legal team's request for a new trial. And hence, to date, the original verdict still stands and Amber here is the abuser and Johnny Depp the victim. Now moving on to the recent news. The melodrama surrounding Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's conflicting legal claims has continued after their defamation trial finished 2 months ago. According to recently released court records, both parties allegedly sought to bring up even more humiliating material during the 6-week trial. A few days ago, legal expert Andrea Burkhart published a roughly 6,000-page trench online. The documents provide an insight into Depp and Heard individual legal strategy, as well as an understanding of what Judge Penny Ascarate decided to allow in and ban from court. Several media sources validated the papers, but they are only accessible at the courts and on Burkhart's website. But you need not worry. You do not have to read 6,000 pages to know what malicious attempts both the teams of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp were going to resort to. We got you all covered. First, we will discuss what it all meant and then in the end, see the actual original document material. Brace yourself for what is coming next as it is so unexpected. Johnny Depp was preparing to exploit Amber Heard's nude photos in his defamation lawsuit against her. That's right. According to recently released court filings, the Aquaman actress attorneys claimed that Depp's attorneys sought to use her nude photos as proof of private issues. Heard's attorneys said in a March 2022 filing that Depp is wrongfully attempting to present evidence of unrelated personal concerns. One of these issues included Heard's nude photographs. Heard's attorneys argued against the images' disclosure by stating that they have no influence on any relevant fact in this dispute. They are unimportant, extremely personal, and have a propensity to excessively objectify Amber Heard, which is humiliating and would unquestionably take attention away from the important questions in this case, such as whether Depp engaged in domestic abuse or not. In the same 965-page document, Amber Heard's attorney claimed that Johnny Depp was seeking to intentionally suggest or imply that Amber Heard had formerly been an escort, while also bringing up proof of Amber Heard's brief experience as an exotic dancer years before she met Johnny Depp. The allegations that Amber Heard was an escort are baseless, inflammatory, irrelevant, and intended to harass and defame Heard, according to the court documents filed by Burkhart. And if you think it all ended there, no. Heard's brief job at a strip club soon after arriving in LA to launch her acting career has nothing to do with her subsequent relationship with Mr. Depp or any potential allegations of abuse against him. They said that the allegedly nude images and the alleged dancing would be excessively distracting and unfairly unfair to the degree that they would represent Amber Heard as a sex symbol rather than a women's rights advocate against domestic abuse. Her attorneys refer to these as accusations of exotic dancing at one point in the text. Now, to read exactly word to word what the original papers had. Quote, Mr. Depp inappropriately seeks to introduce evidence of the following irrelevant personal matters. 1. Nude pictures of Amber Heard. 2. Amber Heard's sister Whitney's reality show video. 3. Whitney and Amber's past romantic relationships. 4. Amber's brief stint as an exotic dancer years before she met Mr. Depp and Mr. Depp attempting to frivolously and maliciously suggest or imply that Ms. Heard was at one time an escort. End quote. Fans of both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard were so surprised and taken aback at this. A lot of them are posting on social media saying the pure intentions of Johnny Depp to use Amber Heard's personal and private nude photos was a criminal offense of revenge porn. He and his team were very well aware that the entire trial will be broadcasted, and yet they thought of doing so. That is it from our side. Do let us know what you think about these entire leaked documents. If you want us to make more such videos to explain what else was covered in these documents, then do let us know down in the comments. And don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel for more such exciting content.